right here in City Arena, Santa Mesa, Manila for the Season 2 of the CX Basketball League. I have here is the best player of the game with 23 points, 5 assists, and 2 steals, Mr. Russell Nagutom from Team Converge. First of all, sir, congratulations.
Thank you.
We want to know kung ano ang naging mindset nyo pagpasok ng game.
Una sa lahat, crucial game kasi. Focus kami, pasa lang, kasi kulang din kami. Ang pinakamagandang nagawa namin is teamwork. Buti na lang pumukol kami sa labas. Lahat ng shoot namin pasok, kahit sa loob, swerte lang din talaga.
For the coming semifinals, can you share us about kung ano yung game plan and preparation?
Ang preparation lang namin is maging kompleto sana. Kasi kapag kompleto kami, makikita na namin andun na yung chemistry namin, yung una talaga yung teamwork. Ayun po.
Also, we'd like to know kung sino inspiration mo tuwing naglalaro ka.
Inspiration ko is yung girlfriend ko, yung family ko. Tapos, syempre yung mga teamwork na rin kasi umaasa sila sa akin.
Lastly, any message or shoutout?
Shoutout pala sa Team Converge, kay Finance, sa family ko, sa girlfriend ko, Maria Pilentulagan, shoutout po sa'yo. Okay po.
Once again, congratulations to Team Converge and of course our best player of the game, Mr. Russell Nagutom.
Thank you po.
For more details and updates, please like and follow our Facebook page, CX Basketball. Thank you and see you at the next game.
Thank you po.